Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on tensor analysis, lecture number 23, in which I will discuss on curvature tensor. Now we will discuss about curvature tensor. Let us consider Bi be a covariant vector. The covariant derivative of Bi is written as Bi, comma j. This equal to del Bi by del xj minus BP, Christoffel symbol, second kind. We replace here I by P. So we write here I, then J, and here P. Let this is number 1. Since Bi comma j, this is the covariant derivative of Bi with respect to xj, is a covariant tensor of rank 2. Let Bi equal to Bij equal to Aij. This is Bi comma j equal to Aij. A tensor which is covariant and its rank is 2. Therefore, 1 is written as Aij equal to del Bi by del xj, partial derivative, minus BP, Christoffel symbol of second kind, Pij. This is number 2. Taking covariant derivative, of Aij, we get Aij comma k, covariant derivative with respect to xk. This equal to del Aij by del xk minus AP. Here in place of I we write P, then J, Christoffel symbol second kind. Here we have replaced I, so here we write I, K, and here P, minus A. In place of J we write P, so this will be IP and Christoffel symbol second kind. We have replaced J, so we write here J, K and here P. This is number 3. Now using 2 in theory, we get here A ij comma k left side equal to del by del x k. We put the value of A ij from 2 and we write right side of 2 here minus APJ. Here in place of I we write P. Here also P. Here also P. So we get del BP by del XJ minus, already we have taken P, so in this dummy suffix, for this dummy suffix P we may write Q. Here we have written Q, and then in place of I we write P J. Then outside Christopher symbol second kind P I K minus here A I P, in place of J we write P. So in both sides we write P, here P, here P, here P, but here we have dummy suffix P. We replace this P by Q. So we write this A I P equal to del B I by del X P. In place of J we write P minus, we replace P by Q, B Q, Christopher symbol of second kind, here Q, I, in place of J, P, and outside Christopher symbol of second kind P, J, K. Now we differentiate this term. Therefore, we get A I J comma K equal to, here differentiation of this, del 2 B I by del X K del X J. Now here we have two terms. First differentiate BP and this constant minus del BP by del XK Christopher symbol of second kind remain constant minus BP remain constant del by del XK Christopher symbol of second kind Pij minus this multiplication del BP by del Xj Christopher symbol second kind Pik plus BQ Christopher symbol second kind QPJ Christopher symbol second kind Pik. Then we write this minus del BI by del XP Christopher symbol second kind PJK plus BQ Christopher symbol second kind, QIP, PJK. Now we interchange dummy suffix P and Q in fifth and seventh term of right hand side. We get this left side term remains same, this term remains same, this term remains same, this term remains same, and this term also remains same. Here in place of Q we write P, in place of P we write Q, in place of Q we write P, in place of P we write Q. Then next term remains same. Now seventh term. Here in place of Q we write P, in place of Q we write P, in place of P we write Q, in place of P we write Q. This is number 5. By interchanging suffix J and K of 5 in both sides, we get here A, I, K, J, left side. In right side, here we have K, we write J. Here we have J, we write K. So in all places where we have J, we write K, and where we have K, we write J, and we get equation 6. Now using the symmetric property of Christopher symbol of second kind and subtracting number 6 from number 5, we get, here we write Aij comma K minus Aik comma J. Then we subtract this right side. Here this and this term be same, so by subtracting we cancel both two. Also this and this term be same, so we cancel these two terms. Here we see that this and this term be same, so we cancel this and this term. This term and this term same, so cancel by subtracting. So we write the remaining terms. This is the remaining term, minus BP del by del xk, Christopher symbol of second kind, Pij. Also we write here we write minus minus plus BP del by del xj, Christopher symbol of second kind. Now we write this term. So and this term also cancel with each other. We write this term BP, Christopher symbol of second kind, PQJ, and Christopher symbol second kind, QIK, and remaining here minus BP, Christopher symbol of second kind, PQK, Christopher symbol of second kind, QIJ. Here we see that in each term we get BP. Each term we see BP, so we take common BP and then we write remaining terms in the bracket. We may also write this in the form BP. here in the form of, we write this is minus. So in the form of determinant we may write this del by del xj del by del xk. Here we write Christopher symbol second kind p ij, Christopher symbol second kind p ik, plus we may also write this in determinant form, Christopher symbols second kind p qj, Christopher symbol second kind p qk, Christopher symbol second kind qij, Christopher symbol second kind qik. Since left side is a covariant tensor of rank 3. Here we see that ijk, or in other way also we may see that this is the tensor of rank 2 and again we have taken covariant derivative. So one covariant rank will be increased and this is the difference between two tensors which are covariant and of rank 3. So difference of two tensor of the same rank be the tensor of the same rank. And in right side BP is an arbitrary covariant vector that is tensor of rank 1, covariant tensor of rank 1. So this term will be of rank either 2 or 4 if we take inner product corresponding to suffix p. Then the term under bracket will be of rank 4 in which one rank will be contravariant. So in right side the term under bracket will be of rank 4 in which one rank with respect to contravariant. And 3 rank with respect to covariant. Let we denote this tensor by r p I j k. Then r p I j k equal to this determinant del by del x j del by del x k, Christopher symbol of second kind Pij, Christopher symbol of second kind Pik, plus again determinant Christopher symbol of second kind Pqj, Christopher symbol of second kind Pqk, Christopher symbol of second kind Qij, Christopher symbol of second kind Qik. Therefore, Rpijk is a tensor of rank 4, so that the inner product of Bp and Rpijk is a tensor of rank 3. The tensor Rpijk is called curvature tensor or Riemann symbol of second kind. Now we solve a question. Question is that prove that curvature tensor Rpijk is skew symmetric with respect to indices j and k. Firstly, we write the curvature tensor Rpijk equal to determinant of del by del xj del by del xk, Christopher symbol second kind Pij, Christopher symbol second kind Pik, plus determinant of Christopher symbol of second kind Pqj, Christopher symbol of second kind Pqk, Christopher symbol of second kind Qij, Christopher symbol of second kind Qik. Now, by expanding we get result 1. Interchanging indices j and k in 1 both sides. Here we write Rpikj. Here we write j, here k, here k, here j, here k, here j, here j, here k, and we get number 2. From 1 and 2 we see that this Rpijk is negative of this. So Rpijk equal to minus Rpikj. Hence Rpijk is skew symmetric with respect to indices j and k. Question is prove that Rpijk plus Rpjki plus Rpkij equal to 0. Since we know that curvature tensor Rpijk equal to this, by expanding we get result 1. Replacing I by j, j by k and k by I in 1 we get number 2. Again replacing I by j, j by k and k by I in 2 we get number 3. Using symmetric property of Christopher symbols of second kind and then adding 1, 2 and 3 we get Rpijk plus Rpjki plus Rpkij equal to 0. Proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.